Good morning, students. This is your chapter 5, that is coal and petroleum. In our previous video, we have discussed about the natural resources and the types of natural resources, that is exhaustible and inexhaustible. And after that, we have discussed about the introductory part of coal. Okay, what is coal? In today's class we will discuss about the types of coal. The first one is the coke. See here, this is a picture of coke. Coke is a tough, porous and greyish black substance. You can see this is a greyish black substance which we get from the coal. Okay, about the coal, what is coal, where it is found, and how we will get this coal from the earth crust, that we have already discussed. The first type of coal is coke. Okay, so it is a tough, porous and greyish black substance होता है. It is obtained by the destructive distillation of coal. Coke is almost a pure form of carbon. It contains 90% of carbon. Okay, this is pure form of coal. And see, the color of this coke is blackish gray. It means 98% carbon is present in this. This coke is having a different uses. It is essential use as an essential raw material for iron and steel industries. See here, these are here coke is used to heat furnace in iron and steel industries. Okay, coke is used as a reducing agent in extraction of metals from their ore. Here it is also used as a reducing agent in the extraction of metals from their ores. We can extract the metal from the different types of ores. So here also we can use the coke. Third use is coke is used for manufacturing or producer gas like carbon monoxide and nitrogen and water gas. Okay, so these are the different uses of coke. Okay, now we'll move on the next type of coal, that is coal tar. Okay, see here, this is a picture of coal tar. This coal tar is also a black viscous thick liquid. Okay, see here, this is a thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. The smell of coal tar is very unpleasant. Okay, sometime it is obtained by destructive distillation of coal, and it is not a single compound. This is not a single compound, it is a mixture of more than 200 different carbon compounds. इसके अंदर 200 से ज़्यादा 200 से ज़्यादा कार्बन कंपाउंड्स मिक्स होते हैं. ये इट इज़ नॉट इन अ प्योर फॉर्म. सो कोल तार कैन बी सेपरेटेड इनटू मेनी इंपॉर्टेंट केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस. इस कोल तार को भी क्या होता है, हम डिफरेंट सब्सटेंसेस में इसको सेपरेट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल बेंजीन, वी आर गेटिंग बेंजीन फ्रॉम दिस कोल तार. नेफ्थलीन, फिनॉल एट्सेट्रा, टोल्यून. ठीक है, ये सारी चीज़ें हमें वी कैन get these chemical substances from the coal tar, and this we get by the process of fractional distillation. Okay, some chemicals substances are used as raw materials for manufacturing dyes. Okay, where we can use the coal tar. See here, this is a dye. We can use this coal tar in manufacturing of dyes, explosives, okay, and paints and varnishes. Okay, varnishes, pesticides, plastics, synthetic fibers and photographic materials, naphthalene balls, roofing material, etc. Okay, these different kinds of uses, or we can use the coal tar in manufacturing of these types of substances. Now we'll move on the third type of coal, that is that is coal gas. Okay, coal gas is obtained by the destructive distillation of coal. Okay, coal gas consists of three combustible gases. कोल गैस जो है वो थ्री कंबस्टिबल गैसेस कंटेन करता है, दैट इज हाइड्रोजन इज प्रेजेंट, मीथेन एंड कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. ओके, coal gas has a high calorific value due to the calorific value of hydrogen and methane. Okay, they have the high calorific value, coal gas, because it contains methane and hydrogen gas. Okay, it burns to produce heat, that's why it is an excellent fuel. This coal gas is used as an fuel because it produces heat, and heat is produced because hydrogen and methane gas is present inside it. So coal gas, the main use of coal gas is used as a fuel gas. Okay, the fourth one is ammonium compound. During destructive distillation of coal, ammonium compounds are produced which, when dissolved in water, form ammoniacal liquor. It is used to manufacture nitrogenous compound. Here, ammonium compounds, they get converted into nitrogenous compounds, and these nitrogenous compounds are used by the different plants as different plants for their growth as a mineral. This is all about the different types of coke and their what are their different uses that we have discussed. In our next class we will discuss about the one more natural substance, that is about the petroleum, how we can get the petroleum and what are their different uses. I hope you understand, students. Have a nice day.